Alright folks, hello, welcome to 90.9, the quadratic for your geometry tests, chapter 2 test review. Praying that this works today, and always we are brought to you by Starbucks, Caldy Coffee, Tazos and Tea, and a first page sponsor now, the Great Coffee Espresso here in Litchfield. Hope to visit them. Nothing fuels me for my graduate class, keeps me awake, like Tazos and Tea served at the Great Coffee Espresso. Alright guys, tried to make a really nice video, upload it to YouTube from my phone last night. Did not work. Some of you gave me some helpful hints to do it quicker next time. Thank you. I am older. I remember AOL, so you gotta be patient with me with technology. Find the measure of angle 1, guys. On number 1, you simply want to do 90 minus 27 to get 63. Again, the work is here. Number 2, if you have perpendicularity, then this is 30. You want to set 7x minus 3 equal to 60. X is 9. Number 4, you have trisection points. If you start at negative 7 and go to 20, that's a distance of 27. Like I show here, they're all equal, so each one is 9. Add 9 to negative 7 to get 2. Add 9 to 2 to get 11. B's at 2. C's at 11. AC is the length of 2 segments. Each segment is 9, so AC is 18. Alright, take a look here at number 3. Solve for x. B is the midpoint in each. So, 5x plus 30. Set that equal to 100. Now it's 200. AB is half of 200. You get x is 14. B is the midpoint again, guys. These two segments are equal. Subtract 3x from both sides. Add 45. You get x is 30. Number 5 is going to be 6-pointer tomorrow. If this is 50 degrees, then this is 40. 90 minus 50 gives you 40 there. 5x plus 5 equals 40. You're going to get x is 7. Alright, then you take that and Glade Special, plug it in, and nothing smells nicer in a classroom than Glade Apple Cinnamon Spray. Plug 7 in right here. 9 times 7 plus 7 is 70. 4y minus 4 is 20. Y is 6. Ratio problem, folks. You need to attach the x's when you plug it in right there. 5x plus 4x plus 3x is 96. 12x equals 96. X is 8. You want to plug it in there. FH is not 32. It's 32 plus 24, 56. You can pause this at any time. We did go over these answers in class, so I'm going to go through this one pretty quickly. Bisection means these two angles are equal. Don't add them up and set them equal to 90 or anything else. Set them equal to each other. You get x is 17. Plug it in. ABD is 54. Guys, in 10, if RPS is 38, that's one angle. QPT is the big papa angle. It's all three of them. So do 3 times 38, 114. The next one, QPT is 120. That is all three of them, the big guy. Divided by 3, each individual angle is 40 degrees. Well, RPT is 2 of those angles. That's why we did 40 times 2 and got 80. Again, you're going to see these questions almost identically tomorrow on your test. 100-point test. You can max it out by getting 110. MOR and ROP are perpendicular because of that statement right there. So don't set them equal to each other. If you do that, you get a negative. That should be a dead giveaway that you should add them and set them equal to 90. Take that 7 and plug it in there and there. 33 and 57. Guys, a 9. 9 couldn't be easier. Scrolling down here, let's take a look at 22. The ratio of an angle to its supplement is 7/8. Anytime we have a ratio, we attach x's. 7x plus 8x equals 180 because it's a supplement. 15x equals 180. X is 12. You're going to plug that 12 into the larger angle, which is 8 times x. 8 times 12 is 96. One of two complementary angles on 19 is 18 more than the other. Small angle plus large angle is 90. X plus 18 is 90. Again, the other angle would be, or small angle is x, the bigger one is 18 more than x, so 18 plus x, or x plus 18. You're going to get x is 36, and with the measure of each, do 90 minus 36 to get 54. Again, complements add to 90, so do 90 minus. Alright, on 20, one of two complementary angles is 10 more than 3 times the other. That sounds like 3x plus 10 as the large angle. The small angle is always x. Complements add to 90. 4x plus 10 is 90. X is 20. 90 minus 20 is 70. Alright, so these are some questions that we didn't go over in class. On page 5 here, B and C are trisection points. If you start at -6 and go to 18, 18 minus a -6 is 24. Take 24 divided by 3. Each piece is 8. So if you start at -6, add 8, you end or B is at 2. B would be at exit 2. C is 8 miles down the road, so 2 plus 8 is 10. That's how you get 10 for C. AC, just like the one before, is 2 pieces. 2 pieces of 8 gives you 16. Take a look at number 3. It's looking right at us. Again, we go to the right side because I just have one variable there. Take 90 minus 34. This is complement. 5x plus 6 equals 56. 5x is 50. X is 10. Take that 10, plug it in. 4 times 10 plus 15 is 55. Do 90 minus 55 to get 35. This is 35. 3 y minus 1 is 35. Y is 12. Alright, solve for x in each. B is the midpoints. So if AB is 5x plus 10, it's not the whole thing, it's half. It's half of 140, set it equal to 70. You're going to get x is 12. B is the midpoint. We have 2 equal segments here, so set 4x minus 40 equal to 2x plus 60. Subtract 2x from both sides and add 40. You get 2x is 100, x is 50. Bisection means these two angles are congruent. They are congruent. Set 3x minus 10 equal to 2x plus 20. Subtract 2x from both sides, add 10, you get x is 30. Plug it in right here. 3 times 30 minus 10 is 80 degrees. Alright, number 5, MOR, ROP are perpendicular because of this statement right here. So don't set them equal to each other. Add them, set it equal to 90. 8x plus 10 is 90. 8x is 80. X is 10. And plug it in right there and there. 59 degrees, 31 degrees. Alright, again, pause this at any time if you need to look at the answers more. A ratio means you have 5x, 3x, 2x equals 70. 10x is 70. X is 7. So if I want FH again and plug 7 in there and there, it's 21. 14, it's 35. So hopefully number 10 is 4 easy points. If 4 is 110, then so is 6. 5 and 3 are the supplement. They form a straight line with 4 and 6. So they're 180 minus 110, 70. 2 and 3 are complements. 90 minus 70 gives you 20. 20 there and there. 8's the vertical angle of 2. Do 180 minus 20 to get 1 and 7. Alright, vertical angles are congruent. 4x plus 10 and 3y plus 5, they're vertical angles. They're equal to each other, but you got to know what each of them equals.